Assalamu alaikum. Ahlan wa sahlan. Welcome back to our channel. Recall that in the previous episode, link placed above, we have given out some sets of questions, sentences for you to translate into the Arabic equivalent. And today, we are coming up with the solutions to help us learn better. So, if you fail any of the questions, do not feel bad because as you learn, so you shall learn. Let's dive in. The first sentence given that day was, he went to the school. He went to the school. How do you say this in the Arabic language? In the Arabic, we have a simple word for this, for he went. We can simply say ذهب. ذهب stands for he went because this stands for a third person singular male. When you have a male and you want to say that he went, you simply say ذهب. He went. Just the way you say akala, he ate. Qatala, he killed. So here we have Zahaba, he went. Then two means ila. Ila means what? Two. This is a harful jar, meaning a preposition which changes a noun into the genitive case carrying kasra. So when you have ila al-madrasa means school, but originally al-madrasatu is the right pronunciation, but because it appears before after ila, that is why it is ending with kisra. So we have ila al-madrasati, to the school. Dhahaba ila al-madrasati, he went to the school. This second part of this sentence will be the same all through for the other four sentences that you were given. The second was, she went to the school. So what we need to change here is she went. So Zahaba, he went. So how do we say she went? You simply add ta'utanis. Ta'un with sukun to the Zahaba. And you now have Zahabat. So Zahabat stands for she went when speaking about a female. Third person you say Zahabat, she went to the school. Zahabat ila al-madrasati, she went to the school. MashaAllah. The same way you can say akalat, she ate. Akala, he went. Akalat, she went. The only difference is for you to add the ta'utanis to the feminine verb. So you say Zahabat ila al-madrasati, she went to the school. The third question that there was, you male went to the school. When you are talking to a male and you want to tell him that you went to the school, how do you say it? We have Zahaba for he went. So here you simply add ta'un with fatha and make the ba to have what? Sukun. Instead of Zahaba, you now have Zahabta. Zahabta ila al-madrasati, you male went to the school. So Zahabta means you male went. The same way you can say akalta, you male ate. So dhahabta ila al-madrasati, you male went to the school. The next was, you female went to the school. You went to the school when talking to a female. You simply say dhahabti. Recall that dhahabta for the male, you went for the male. Now for the female, you simply change the ta'un from fatha to kisra. Now you have dhahabti. You female went ila al-madrasati. Dhahabti ila al-madrasati. And lastly was, I went. For I, the ta'un, we simply take dumma. So we have dhahabtu ila al-madrasati. I went to the school. Dhahabtu ila al-madrasati. Let's revise again. For he went, we simply say dhahaba. She went, dhahabat. You male went, dhahabta. You female went, dhahabti. I went, dhahabtu. With this, we've seen that how to form the past tense the past tense verbs for the singular third persons. When you have third person, you are talking about, and even the first person, the second person, you can simply use this. So we have dhahaba in the scale of fa'ala. So any word you have, as long as it falls under this scale, you can simply use this pattern. Example, when we have akala, he ate. Akalat, she ate. Akalta, you male ate. Akalti, you female ate. Akaltu, I ate. The same goes for what? The same goes for raja'a, he returned. Raja'at, she returned. Raja'ta, you male returned. Raja'ti, you female returned. Raja'tu, I return. With this, we come to the end of this episode. Do make sure you drop your comment at the comment section and write how many of the questions you were able to provide the correct answers to. Until we meet again, make sure you like, share with your friends, and drop your comments at the comment section. Subscribe to our channel to get frequent updates from us. Until we meet again, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.